George of the jungle, strong as he can be.
Well, just goes to show you no good deed goes unpunished. Did you know that there's a refinance tax effective immediately? This is George Anderson. Thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com. And I just wanted to share some news that we got from the Federal Housing Finance Agency last week. And it's got the Fed a little bit flustered. It's got the mortgage bankers and the Mortgage Brokers Association a little bit flustered. But as everyone knows, there is a huge influx of refinance transactions going on right now. Those loans, whether you get a loan from your credit union or from your bank or a mortgage broker or a mortgage banker, as we discussed in a previous video, they're ultimately going to be sold to and serviced by Fannie Mae. Now, nobody makes their payment directly to Fannie Mae, but there's servicer and sub-servicer agreements, and there's a delivery fee associated with bringing that loan. And there's, pricing adjustments for a variety of things. But any loans that close after September 1st, there is going to be a 0.5% adverse market delivery fee, because our housing market is so horrible and there's so much risk involved with letting people go from a $2,000 payment down to an $1,800 payment when they've got great credit scores and a lot of equity. I mean, I think this is part of juicing up the balance sheet for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac so that they can be turned back and out of government conservatorship. But who am I to be cynical? Anyway, so this is one of those things where it's going to have a little bit of an impact on it. I think the rates are going to be good. What does 0.5% in the fee mean? Okay, so the fee is not the same thing as the interest rate, but there is a correlation. And right now, that fee, depending on the loan amount, type of transaction, everything else, means that effectively the interest rate on all refinance transactions that are closed after September 1st are going to be up to about 1/8 or 1/4 of a point. So anybody purchasing a home is not going to be affected by this. But somebody who's looking to refinance, then yeah, they're going to have some issues with it. And thank you to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac for being so generous with all of the government money that they've received to try to help the consumer. Anyway, thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com today. This is George Anderson, and if you have any questions, I would love to talk with you about your situation and help you with your financing terms. Push button, get mortgage professional, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.